has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Weakley County in West Tennessee, northwestern Benton County in West Tennessee, Henry County in West Tennessee, until 1 a.m. At 12:10 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Benton to near Linville to 6 miles north of Latham, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Paris Landing State Park, Cottage Grove, Latham, Roughton, Palmersville, Springville, Bernier, Big Sandy, Henry, Mansfield, Jones Mill, Old Springville, Crossland, Como, Brundig, Sunnyside, Whitlock, Porter Court, and Connersville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Callaway County, Kentucky, northeastern Graves County, Kentucky, southwestern Marshall County, Kentucky, until 1 a.m. At 12:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northeast of Mayfield, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to observe at night. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Callaway, Graves, and Marshall. Flood watch is in effect until 7 a.m. Thursday.